to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hi guys, what's up? I've been kind of offline with my YouTube channel now for a few months, and I think I have a pretty good explanation for that. My mother sadly passed away 2 months ago, just before Christmas, because of the cancer. She lived in Finland, I live in Switzerland, so I've been now traveling between Finland and Switzerland quite much. And actually also tomorrow I have to go there, and I really don't know for how long time, because I have to take care of some bank stuff and all these normal things. I really want to start again to make real videos. I have so many things that I want to do and so many ideas. First I will start to make our new kitchen table. I have so many crazy things that I want to have in this table. It's going to be quite special. For my small workshop, quite big project actually. So that would be the woodworking part. I'm still in the middle of this audio upgrade project. Trunk is finished, subwoofer works pretty well, I really like it. Amplifier is installed, all the cables. Next step is actually these rear speakers. In these rear doors there is only two-way speaker or coaxial, whatever there is. There is no tweeter here, and I think these speakers I will buy from Finland when I'm going there. Hopefully I will get a better price because my friend is there. And yeah, and next obviously front speakers. This is with the bass and tweeter which is there up there. I think for all these speakers I have to make some kind of adapters. Of course I will make those out of wood. That would be interesting project. And summer is coming, and that means that I really like to travel a little bit here in Switzerland, visit some new locations, and that would be fun too. 3 things: woodworking, car, and a little bit of traveling in summertime. I also have kind of car fever. I would like to have a new car. Not a new car, but a new car for me. I really like this one. This is 13 years old now, 105,000 kilometers. It works. I've done all these service stuff by myself, what I can. But there's one major problem, and it's this transmission. This is automatic, and it's kind of sliding a little bit from second to third gear. When engine and transmission is cold, it's kind of fine. It doesn't do that, but when it's getting warm and hot, it will do that. And it's been like that for almost 3 years. It's really not changing. So if it's not changing or getting worse, it might be that it's not this Kupplung clutch part. It could be something else. It could be solenoids, it could be oil. Only thing what I can really do by myself is change the oil. I checked this oil about a year ago, and it looks pretty black and dark. So might be that I will do this next. If it's this clutch, then it's a big service which I can't do by myself. It might be that it's not worth to fix. That's why I'm thinking about a new car. I also have to take care of one other problem before it's getting very bad. And it's this one. And that's just because of the design fail in this door. And that's pretty common problem. This water which is going inside the door, it's not coming out. Their solution is that they took these rubber things away, but still, I don't know, it was maybe too late, so it will rust. I can maybe take care of this problem by myself somehow. I just have to find the same color of paint. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this little bit special video this time. I hope I can get back to the normal as soon as possible. So see you guys next time.